do you think there should be a limit for people, and what should that limit be for height and airspace ownership above one's house?
Yeah, so there is, and I don't know if you wanna go into it, Frank, but
Yeah.
there is a yeah. You
In
do own
Maryland,
the
and so it's
Go ahead.
called, what I've got right here is the space directly above your roof and the height needed for construction, maintenance, antennas, solar panels, and so forth. You do own, it's called the immediate reaches. Now in Maryland, through case law and examples, it's been mostly up to about 200 feet. But what I've got right here, also FAA doesn't start, it doesn't start till 400 feet. So that means between 2 and 400 feet, drones there, they can fly there, right? And then take the pictures, take the imagery, do whatever they want, and there's not much to stop them. Now, my question off of that is, I guarantee you, somewhere online we can find how high Progressive and Geico and so
Flies
forth
their
fly their
drones.
drones, and we only need what, like 27 more people for a class action. I'm just throwing that
Yeah.
out there.
Yeah, let's do it. But that said roof. What about the backyard or the front yard? I only have a backyard.
I
That's why I
mean,
keep
like
saying backyard.
immediately reachable area, it says, for like the whole
Huh.
space.
Interesting. Okay.
Aside-
Yeah, I would say, and yeah,
Yeah,
no,
go ahead.
but and what I'm reading here is that you own the airspace above your until you get into federal space, which is
400
500
feet?
feet in urban
Oh.
areas and 1,000
Mine
feet in
says
rural
immediate
areas.
reaches. Federal is 400. Federal is 400, but I don't have the defining it. So I like your
Didn't
answer
know that.
more. So there you go.
So really, really weird off thing that I just thought about. Have you guys seen the dude who built the bathtub drone that you can sit in and he like takes it to go like eat and stuff? No, you should check it out on YouTube.
What
It's
the hell?
pretty amazing. He
He-
made a bathtub, like a foot bath, those like the bathtub with the feet, the old school ones.
Yeah, claw
He
tub?
turned that into a drone and he flies around town on it.
Like a
I do
really
wonder how
heavy
he does
cast
Wait,
that.
like
iron
an
one?
ultralight?
How did
No,
he-
I think it's like an iron, like the cast iron tub. I don't know. I'll have to go look at it. I swear to God, I've
Is
seen
he
it.
in
I'm not
it?
just
Is
making
he
this
in
up.
it like a
Yeah, he's
like
in
a
it.
pilot?
Yeah.
That's wild.
Imagine, no, what's your obituary going to look like with that shit? Who's going to take you serious? Who's going to
Dies
take you
Dies
that guy
serious?
flying
who-
his prize claw tub drone.
That guy who like tied himself to a chair and put like a bunch of balloons on it, and then he
Yeah.
went up in the
Oh,
air.
that
and he-
monk?
No, this was a man. Like not a man. Like a monk can't be a man.
I think monks
This
are
was like
men.
a citizen,
think
if you
they're
will.
only
This was a non-religious member of society who
How
like.
do you know he wasn't religious, Dustin?
I guess you're right. You're right. He could have been a priest. I don't know. He was not wearing a
That's with
collar.
you.
There was
But
one
he
instance
had
of a monk that
um,
did it, but continue.
he had a BB gun with him, and so his idea was like if he got too high, he would just like start shooting the balloons. And then,
gosh.
but forgot to start shooting the balloons at some point, and so they had to go, I think they had to go like rescue him in like a plane or a helicopter or something. I don't even
God.
know how they did it, but they had to like go get him up in the stratosphere.
I bet he didn't.
Funny.
I bet he didn't check the BBs against the tensile strength or the surface strength of the
Of the
actual
balloons.
balloons,
Could be.
and that's what happened in that instance.
I assume
My
the guy
God.
he was probably using weather balloons or something, huh?
Yeah, I don't
not
think it was
just
like
standard-
like up, like or he just like
No.
inflates a bunch of balloons.
Well,
And flies
the,
them.
You're-
the